Running Facebook or TikTok ads, but your conversions aren't showing accurately? You're not alone. Many Shopify stores lose valuable tracking data due to iOS privacy updates, ad blockers, and browser restrictions. When tracking breaks, your ad platforms receive incomplete data. That means weaker optimization, poor retargeting, and wasted advertising budget. Introducing Infinite FB and TikTok Pixels, a powerful Shopify tracking solution designed to help merchants capture more accurate conversion data. Track important events, enable conversion API, server-side tracking, multiple pixel support, and advanced customer event tracking, helping your campaigns optimize faster, improve retargeting, and increase return on ad spend. Stop losing valuable conversion data. Install Infinite FB and TikTok Pixels today. Recover lost conversion data with advanced Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, and server-side tracking for Shopify.